Hello guys, welcome to my channel and to my final video on my shampoo formulation series. So today we are going to be looking at how to formulate a moisturizing shampoo, and if you want to see how I formulated this moisturizing shampoo, then do stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So first of all, I want to show you the formula that I'll be using to formulate the shampoo. This is for you to take notes and also recreate it if you want to. So the ingredients here I'm having is water. I also have your cocoa glucoside, and then I have here cocoa betaine. Then I also have the glycerin. I just want to show you the ingredients so that you see. So I also have here honey, which is raw pure honey. And then my hibiscus extract. Then I also have my essential oil, which is thyme. This is my penetrating oil mix. And this is my cationic gum. I also have here my preservative and then xanthan gum. Now, this to formulate this, you just need to measure 23% of the water. You also need to measure the cocoa glucoside and then the cocoa betaine. Now, I'm using these two ingredients because they are great to formulate moisturizing shampoos. Then I'm also adding my glycerin, and then I go ahead to add my honey. Now, this is a moisturizing shampoo, so most of the ingredients I'm using are moisturizing ingredients just to provide moisturizing effects in this shampoo. Now, after I have mixed this up, I also add here my hibiscus extract. I'm adding 3% of the hibiscus extract, and then I'm also adding the essential oil. I'm adding just 2% of this essential oil. Then I mix all of this up. Now, I just decided to separate the oil, and I'm pouring about 5% of my penetrating oil mix, and I am also adding the preservative. Now, you can add this at the final stage, but I decided to add it here. Now, after this, I just mix both together. Now, you would notice that this one does not include emulsifying waxes because it's not a conditioner shampoo, it's a moisturizing shampoo. Now, I decided to test the pH because I just wanted to see if the pH is low enough for me to be able to add the cationic gum. And the pH is 6, so I don't need to reduce it further. If the pH is more, you need to reduce it so you can use the cationic gum. Now I'm adding my xanthan gum. This is very optional. You do not necessarily need to add a xanthan gum to this, but I wanted to use two thickness, which is the xanthan gum and the cationic gum. So I'm hydrating it with my glycerin. You know, you always need to hydrate your xanthan gum with glycerin, and that is what I am doing. So I'm hydrating the xanthan gum with the glycerin. I use just 1% of the xanthan gum, and you do not necessarily need to add it, especially if you are going to be adding the cationic gum because it is also a thickener. So because the xanthan gum is not going to be the major thickener, that's why I did not add much, so it didn't really thicken us up well. It's just going to be a secondary thickener. Now I am going to be adding my primary thickener, which is my cationic gum. I chose cationic gum because this is very moisturizing. It also provides great detangling effects, or it helps to detangle hair and also moisturize the hair, and finally it helps to thicken your product. So this is a great product to include in specifically a moisturizing shampoo. And I hydrated it with water. You do not need to hydrate Catanica with glycerin. Water is just enough for you to hydrate your Catanica. So this is what I have after I left it to thicken up. You can see how the shampoo has really taken up well. I really like this. I wish I could add color to it, but I don't have. So this is what I have here. Now, this is my shampoo. Very thick. And I just like the consistency of the shampoo. It is also very slippery because of the cationic gas. So it will help to detangle your hair as well. So, if you haven't watched my video on these ingredients, I talked about the ingredients for this shampoo. You can watch it in I will put a link in the description so that you check it out. I just wanted to do a lather test for you to see how this shampoo really lathers, and it didn't really fail the lather test. I really like how it did. Now I just put a little of the shampoo on my set hair just to show you how it lathers. I used this on my hair and I really like the result. It wasn't stripping, very moisturizing, and definitely this is what I'll be using in my regimen as well. You can try this out if you want to. Just let me know how it goes. I'm very grateful to just know your feedback on this. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for sticking around for my shampoo formulation series. I hope you learned a lot. I hope it was useful. If it was, just give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and just stay blessed. Know that you love you. Bye.